certain few small things that I wanted to point out before I go ahead and fix the pitch curve. Usually I prefer a kind of a slightly neat wiring. What I have done here, if you look closely, is I've taken the extra length of the gyro, folded it up and used a kind of a heat shrink. I had a slightly larger diameter heat shrink. It's about 17 mm to 18 mm if I'm right. Just take cut a piece of it, slide it in, heat it up. Same thing across over here. This is the wire from the gyro to the gyro to the tail servo. So what happens with this is you will not have too much wire dangling around. Second, it looks neat. What I will do to this heli is I'll go ahead and tie wrap it here, and this I'm going to put it here at the bottom and tie wrap it together here. So this is what the wiring you will see on the heli. Other than that, all these things will be hidden inside. That is one. Secondly, another few small things is do not forget to fix your canopy grommets. Canopy mounts. Yeah, here one. Yes, we have not placed the screws yet on any of the servos. We will do that later because I would like to check out the range that I get across by fixing. What we have done is we have gone ahead and fixed the ball on the second hole. If I'm not getting entire range, I'll go ahead and fix it on the third hole from the center of the shaft. So I'm not going to fix the screw right now, but we will do that eventually later. All right, I've just finished the wiring of the heli. Try to in fact conceal as much as wire as possible here. Taken the wire of the pitch servo all the way from inside and place some 2 tie wraps here, even here if you can see. And again similar here for the aileron servo. It's actually the wire is going all the way from inside. The elevator servo is the only one that's visible here. Plus what I told you earlier about shortening the wire. Not exactly shortening, but folding the wires and placing heat shrink. That's it. The only thing I need to fix now is the ESC and the wire going all the way to the receiver. We'll come to that later. Now, coming to the head, rather the blades, the kit comes across with a pair of plastic blades. These are okay for beginners. It can actually be used for a good setup, but I'm quite comfortable with my carbon fiber blades. I will go ahead and fix the carbon fiber blades right now. And yes, preferably if you have a blade balancer, please use the blade balancer to balance the blades. There are 2 types. One is static balancing, one is dynamic balancing. But right now, for argument's sake, you can actually go ahead and balance the blades. We could cover the balancing of the blades in a separate section later, but I think for the time being, just balance them if you have a blade balancer, and fix it on the main rotor head.